Every legacy work begins with a vision. It may come from a family, a foundation, an architect, or a cultural institution. What they bring is not stone, it's meaning. Our responsibility is to make sure that meaning is not lost. Before any material is chosen, the form is resolved. Proportions, posture, expression, symbolism, scale, all are defined here. This is where most risk in sculpture is eliminated. The approved design is built in clay. This allows the client to see the work in 3 dimensions. Every surface, every line, every detail can be reviewed and adjusted. Nothing moves forward until it's correct. This model becomes the reference for everything that follows. Once it is approved, the form is fixed. There are no creative changes after this point. The approved clay model is digitally mapped. Every millimeter is captured. This creates a precise digital record of the client's approved vision. That digital model guides the stone cutting process. The machines do not interpret. They exactly follow the approved form. After the stone is shaped, human hands take over. This is where surface, texture, and refinement are perfected. Nothing is rushed. Every detail is checked. The finished piece is measured against the approved model. This ensures what leaves the studio is exactly what was agreed upon. This is where BMG's expertise protects the client's original vision. There are no surprises.
So when the client commissions a sculpture from BMG, they are building something that is bigger than themselves, that lasts longer than they would. Essentially, we are holding on to their legacies in stone. So we have to honor their intention in every single step of the way. We have to make sure that in every process that we work, it is according to what the client has approved. The technology gives us accuracy. The human gives the piece life. What we do is we bridge the gap between the two and we execute it that way. So that when the client walk into our studio the next time, they see the stone piece, they're happy and they walk away with something they're satisfied with for centuries.
When your vision is complete, we'll send it to you, wherever its final home will be. Our trusted shipping partners guarantee that perfection arrives at your doorstep. Technology gives it accuracy. Hands give it life. Stone gives it endurance. And our devotion keeps it true.